I guess take 2. On the startup.
I don't like Ford, but this is a motherfucking grown man right here. I'm tell you, motherfucker. This probably everybody ain't gonna be able to see this shit. This is a motherfucking grown man. I don't like Ford. Here I am on camera.
This part 2. Gotta show everybody this shit.
I don't like Ford, but this motherfucker right here. Boy, look here. Y'all see that motherfucker in the street? You don't want it. You don't want none.
You don't want to see this?
This the sleeper right here. You know if you can't fuck with this motherfucker.
No, you can't fuck with that one if you can't fuck with this.
You can't fuck with this motherfucker.
No, you can't fuck with that one.
Nah, we gotta put some money up. Y'all look. We accepting all ass whoopings. We accepting all ass whoopings.